We're a family of 5 that sold their 1-acre suburban farmstead in search for less. We bought a 5th-wheel camper, renovated it, and live in it full-time on wide-open farmland. We share our love for learning about a simple, natural, and sustainable lifestyle in hopes to inspire others. Welcome to our story. Welcome to The Seed That Sprouted.
Hey everyone, it's Farmer Maggie. I'm here in my greenhouse and I am going to show you what we're doing on how to prepare our garden beds for this year. Now we prefer a no-till or a low-till approach to gardening, and our reasonings why are lengthy, but in short, it helps preserve the soil food web, it creates a healthier soil, healthier plants, and in turn it will help create more profitability. Now, as you may know, we sold our suburban farmstead for a 5th-wheel camper renovation. We're living in it on a lot of land here, but there is green grass and we need a garden. So let me show you how we are going to transform that space. Now, the first thing we did was we ran out the hogs and the chickens with some electric net fencing onto the future garden space. The hogs and the chickens scratched it up, they rooted it up, they placed their manure down on the grass, and they left it like that for us to go through and do the next step. Now the next step is I am in here with a bunch of cardboard that is untreated, and I'm removing all of the tape and the labels on it and getting it ready to lay down on that space. We have a load of compost coming that we're going to then lay on top of the cardboard. Now I'm going to show you what we are doing to create a thriving garden out of green grass.
We will continue to lay the cardboard down and pile the compost on top of it. We will make rows that are 30 inches wide, and we will make pathways that are 24 inches wide. 24-inch pathways allows us to fit a harvest bin to make harvesting the vegetables much easier. We also like making the rows 30 inches wide because it fits our low tunnel hoops easily and allows us to step over the rows without accidentally stepping into the soil. Once we finish the rows by adding cardboard and compost, we will then move on to add wood chips to the pathways. Pathways acts as a weed inhibitor through the act of the carbonaceous layer smothering the weeds that are trying to come up in the ground. Basic foundation of what our garden bed prep is going to look like. I'm going to continue finishing putting the wood chips in the pathways, and then I will report back on a later video as to what this looks like all finished, and then the next phase that we will move on to, because this is really only a quarter of our garden space that we have.